Hello, what's up guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Emmanuel. I'm going to show you how the easiest and fastest way of sending an email using Python. Before we step into the video, make sure you smash the like button, click the subscribe button, and pop the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss out on my next epic content. Now let's get straight into today's video. So I have a file created already, mean.py. You should create one if you haven't created one already. So first thing I need to make clear is you can send email in multiple ways. I'm going to be showing you how to send it the easiest way and the fastest way, as said earlier. So first you want to make sure you have is a Gmail account. Make sure you create one, and then when you do that, I'm going to put the link to this page. So when you click on it, it should bring you here and allow access to less secure apps, access to less secure apps. So when you do that, you should receive a mail, and then when you receive the mail, okay, something like this, then you're going to click on check activity, and then just click yes, it was me. So you might get the mail, you won't get the mail immediately, you might not get the mail immediately, might get immediately, but just make sure you do this. Once you do this, you are set to go. All right, I'm gonna minimize this, minimize that. Okay, so without spending much time talking, let's just get into it. So first you want to do is want to import the libraries we're using, Smtplib and SSL. So we're also going to import get, okay, from get pass, import get pass. So this is what we're going to be using to get our password. You're going to see what that does. Okay, nothing fancy, by the way, nothing hard. The next thing we're going to do is create some variables we're going to be needing. So of course we need our email. Okay, so we're going to create a variable for the receiver's email as well. We're going to create a variable for password, sender password. So what we're going to do is we're going to use get pass, and then we're going to do prompt. So we're going to see what this does in a minute anyway. So we're going to do enter your password. All right, so we also need to create a variable for port. So this port can either be 465 or 587. Yeah, 587. And this depends on how you want to send. You can either send just using SSL or start TLS. I'm going to show you what that is. Nothing fancy, by the way. We're going to put 465 here for now. And now getting into the thick of things. Okay, yeah, before I forget, we also need to put the SMTP server. Okay, server we're going to be using to send our mail. So that is smtp.gmail.com. okay, I hope that's the correct thing. Now we're going to use a with context manager here, to send email. So what we're going to do is we're going to say with smtp.smtp. all right, so we're going to add our server name, that's smtp server, and then the port. Okay, this is going to connect us to the server, and then our server. So we're going to use the server to connect. We've connected to the server already. We'll be using this to connect to the server. This is what this does, and then we're going to do server.login. So we want to log in with our Gmail to the server. So of course that will be sender, email, and then the password. So this is what it does basically. We connect to the server, and then we log in to our Gmail with the server. Then we're going to use server.sendmail. okay, and then we're going to put sender email. We're going to put the receiver's email, and then the message what we want to send. Okay, let's create a message. Let's just do message. I'm going to use a doc string for this. I'm going to say okay, let's just put it here. Subject, I'm going to put new message. Okay, I'm going to come down here. We're going to see where I'm doing this, and I'm going to put hello there, and I'm going to do this. All right, okay, so this should do. Okay, so of course let me put my email here. I'm going to put that at gmail.com. Then you put the receiver's email you want to use here for, but I'll be using a temporary email here. So I'm going to copy this, Alt tab, paste that there. Okay, so I'm going to do Ctrl Shift P, toggle panel. Just search for toggle panel. if you haven't installed or watched my video on how to install the terminal with into Sublime Text, I'm going to put a link in the description below to learn how to install terminal into Sublime Text. Okay, so once you do that, just do python main.py. I'm going to run that. Of course, something is missing. Something missing. We didn't create a context. Of course, we need to do some validation and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna come here and then we're gonna do context is equals to, I think, SSL dot create default context. Okay, default context, and that should do. Okay, so also we should pass the context here. Okay, the context equals the context. Okay, that should do. So let's just close this and run it again. Okay, so password, this is what the get pass does. When I put my password, you can't see it. Okay, so I'm gonna type that there and I'm gonna press next. Okay, what could possibly be wrong? We have the SMT server, the port, and the context. Not sure what's wrong, what's going on. Let's see. Oh my. Okay, this is what you use for when you're using StartTLS, but for now we are using just SSL. Okay, I missed that there. Control S. Okay, so for this StartTLS, which I'll be showing you in a bit, we don't put the context in here. That's why we are getting this error. So we're gonna run this again. Okay, and then okay, so now as you can see, the message came in right now. We're gonna put that and then share our message, subject, new message. I was expecting the subject to be here. That's why I left this line here. I don't know why that isn't working. So we're gonna save that here. Okay, so I'm gonna run this one more time. So as you can see, it works already. Very easy and fast to set up. Alright, so we've gotten another mail. Okay, I don't know why this isn't working, but anyway, that's not the aim of this video. So we'll go. Also, I'm going to show you if you want to use StartTLS. Of course, you have to change this to 587, and then just SMTP here. We're going to remove the context. We're going to do server.start.tls. Okay, they're just gonna pass the context here, and that's difference basically. So well, if I'm gonna be sending, I'll just do it any way you want. So there's nothing fancy or anything like that. So just do it any way you want it. By the way, I'm gonna put this here, save that. So let's run it again and see if StartTLS is gonna do the same thing. Okay, so the mail should be sent, and okay, so if I click on this, all right, so we sent the mail, received the mail successfully. Quick one, just let's do this. So we're gonna save that and try sending the mail again. So go panel, so we're gonna python main.py, and then I really want this to work. Okay, so if I send it now, oh, okay, yeah, this is a new message. So we have our subject up here and it works successfully. So that is it. Okay, so you just needed to put this. So this should be on top, and then just a space here to make sure this appears as your subject. So as you can see, new message. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, then you should give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my next epic content. Much love, guys. Peace out.